Name.
My name is Mahendran. I am from Tamil Nadu. I had been some 20 days in Singhu border. After that, I have some work. I went to Tamil Nadu and I'll come back here. Now, 3 or 4 days, 4 days nearly, I am staying in this Kajipur border. This Kisan struggle is one of the landmark of the world. No Kisans are living like this for their own demand for month long in particular place. They nearly 3 months they are here. They are not tired. They don't have any problem to live here. They shifted their cultural life from village to this place. This is a success of this movement because the three laws which is enacted by the Modi is a very vast law, because the three laws are completely supporting to the corporate companies, especially Ambani and Adani. Adani now he wanted to make himself as a very big leader of the agro industry. Agro industry is a very important thing. Some of the people who are looted anything like this through the agro industry in Latin America. Latin America is called as a South America. People are struggling there. Argentina and other places, the struggles are going on. The same pattern with the help of Modi, Adani wanted to implement here. Because Punjab and Haryana is a very powerful agricultural area. He wanted to store all of his people's things, and he would like to sell it in the great profit. That is came to know our Kisans. It is a fraud. Fraud with the combine of Amir Shah and Modi. Both four people. Two for politics. Amir Shah and Modi is for politics. Business is Ambani, Adani. They are four gang of four. They wanted to loot the country. That's why the people are very strong to agitate these things. In South, people, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra and other people, completely supported. Supporting is very much. But the government block, the people come over to take part here. This is a very tragedy. So, there are 2 points here in front of us. The Modi must withdraw the law, cancel the law. Otherwise, he will be thrown out from the chair of Indian people. It is a process, 2 process. Whether he implement or he will go to his house, the 2 point. We are fully, Indian people are fully supporting, and we are in the forefront to fight in it. The persons who are participated in Punjabis, what they labeled, they are a supporter of Pakistan. They are a Khalistanist, they say. I am asking Modi, in your family, how many people sacrifice their life to this nation through the military? Can you say? Your family and your area, how many people? If you go and see each family in Punjab, one is farmer, another one is army man. 2 type is there. How can you say? If you wanted to tell who is a better patriot in the India, is a Sikh people is a number 1. They are sacrificed more life to the nation. So, they are a patriot, can't be called as a terrorist or a separatist. You are only a person of the terrorist and separatist. The whole thing, whole wrong propaganda should be faced by Indian people. One day the truth will come. That truth will remove the Modi and his politics and his Hindutva politics from the Delhi chair. This is my conclusion, my view I wanted to share with other people.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.